When I first started packing near NYU, I thought moving out would be simple. Just pack my clothes, close my suitcase, and leave. But once I looked around my room, I realized something. I had way more stuff than I thought. It wasn't just clothes. I had books, shoes, electronics, kitchen items, and random things I collected during the semester. And honestly, the hardest part was not moving. It was figuring out where to start. That's why I started with the UC moving kit. It came with a box, packing tape, printed labels, label pouch, and identification stickers. I didn't have to run around the city looking for packing supplies. Everything I needed was already there. As an NYU student, space is limited. My room wasn't huge, and I didn't want to waste time buying boxes, printing labels, or figuring out what goes where. The moving kit made the first step much easier. But packing was only half of it. The next question was, how am I going to carry all these boxes downstairs? That's where premium pickup helped. The team came inside, picked up my packed boxes, and loaded them for me. What I liked was that UC Moving had different options depending on what I needed. If you're not ready to move yet, you can use storage. If you're moving to another state, they offer cross-country moving. And if you're moving back home, they can help with international shipping. For me, the biggest benefit was not just shipping. It was having a clear process. First, I got the moving kit. Then I packed. Then premium pickup handled the boxes. That made the whole move feel less stressful. I'd recommend UC Moving to NYU students who are moving out of dorms, apartments, or preparing to leave New York. Especially if you have more boxes than expected, limited time, or no easy way to move everything by yourself. Moving out near NYU can feel overwhelming. But having the right tools and the right pickup option made a big difference for me. If you're planning your move, start early, pack smart, and move with confidence. UC Moving.